I'm Sweet Pea. You're Pookie.
Kathy,
Alan. And Alan. Well, the story really starts with Alan because we've been on this decision for years to come back to Florida. And last year, at March timeframe, he flew out here and take it away, babe.
So then I went around with a realtor and I probably looked at 25 different places. I knew for her, I wanted to be near the beach. We wanted to be near family. And we also wanted something that we didn't have to like totally remodel, totally rebuild and stuff. So when I finally got brought into this place, Woodland Park in Nocatee, it was like okay, saw the amenities with the community and, the pools, the hiking trails. We've got dogs, we like to bike, but this place was nice. It had lots of lighting.
Very good.
Obviously you can see the windows in this place, lots of bright light. Love having the view for us out back for the
And the
woods.
preserve that won't be touched. That is nice. It's like nature coming inside. It's
and
beautiful.
again, at our point, we wanted the low maintenance stuff. So
No landscaping to do.
no landscaping to do.
The topography's been pretty good.
It's easy to get on the US 1 to go north and out. It's easy to get on 210. Like I mentioned before, I looked at a lot of places, a lot of condos, a lot of other places, but this place was by far the best value and we couldn't be happier with where we're at.
It's been great.